Find out the number of reflections after which light ray will exit from this given figure, and we are given with the value of sine 40 degree also, which is equal to 0.64. So let's see in this figure, the angle at which it is entering is 40 degree, and it is forming this path, and all the other values are also given. So now let's see the solution, how we solve this question. So the solution will be like something like, first we'll need to find the value of x. We know that 1 sine 40 degree is equal to 1.31 sine, and we are given with the value of sine 40 degree, which is equal to 0.64, will be equal to 1.31 sine I. So with help of this we'll find value of sine I, which will come out to be around something around 0.5, and this will give us the value of r, which will be 30 degree, as sine inverse of 0.5 will be equal to 30 degree. So we know the value of r. With that we'll find value of tan r, and tan r will be equal to 20 divided by x, 20 mm divided by x, and with this we'll now we know the value of tan r also, so the x will be 20 mm divided by tan r, which will give us the value 20√3 m. Now we need to find the number of reflections. N into x is equal to 20√3, we have got that. Oh sorry, n into x, in this question n into x will be equal to 2 meter, and we don't know the value of n, but we know the value of x now. N into x is equal to 2 meter, therefore n will be 2 divided by 20√3 into 10 divided by 22 into 1 raised to power 10 raised to power minus 6. So when we'll solve this, we'll find the value of n will come out to be 57803. So the number of reflections will be 57803.